Hi, I'm Darius from Dubb. This is a brief video on how to set up and use the Dubb video communication platform to help grow your business. Firstly, I'd like to explain the benefits of using video for sales and marketing. Did you know that over 80% of internet traffic is from video viewing? How about that nearly 70% of people would rather watch video than read text? Or what about the fact that video can help increase sales conversion rates by up to 300%? If you want to increase engagement, comprehension, and conversions for your business, video is the answer. The Dubb team has developed a proprietary platform to help you leverage the power of video for your business. Let's get started. The first step is to sign up for an account on Dubb and set up your profile. One of the first things you can do during the sign-up process to customize your account is to enter a custom subdomain for your business. In the team section of the site, you can also upload your company logo. Having your custom logo and URL will improve the overall look and feel of your video pages and create a more professional experience for your viewers. If you have a team, you'll want to invite all your team members to your account so they can sign up for their own accounts on Dubb. The next step is to connect your social accounts. By adding your social accounts, you can include direct links on your video pages to your social media profiles, including LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. In the Display Options tab, you can choose what information you want to display on your video pages. Next, you'll want to install the Dubb Chrome extension by clicking Install on the Integrations page. The Dubb Chrome extension will provide a number of benefits, including CRM and data integrations and screen recording capabilities. When initially installing the extension, make sure to allow permissions to access your camera and microphone. If you deny permissions, you'll be unable to record. You'll also want to allow notifications on the website to get real-time activity reporting. You'll notice below the record button, you'll have the ability to turn on or off your microphone or webcam. Including voice and a video of yourself adds a personal touch and improves engagement and comprehension of your video viewers. The first recording option on the Dubb Chrome extension is a full screen recorder. This will record everything on your screen, including your desktop and other tabs. This feature is valuable for when you want to show multiple things on your screen. With this option, you'll be able to record your entire screen, including multiple browser tabs, software applications, presentations, documents, and more. The next option is a current tab only recorder. This allows you to create a simpler, more streamlined recording of a single browser tab. With this option, you will not have the ability to record different browser tabs or software applications on your computer. When you're ready to record a video, click the red record button. If you choose full screen, it will ask you which screen you want to share in case you have an external monitor plugged in. There will be a 3-second countdown and then the recording will begin. If you have your webcam turned on, any screen recording will include a webcam preview of yourself in the bottom left corner. This preview can be moved or resized depending on your preference. The buttons on the webcam preview will give you advanced control for your recording, including canceling, pausing, and finishing. The pause button is especially useful when recording a longer video or a video where you will need to change tabs or switch gears during the recording. Don't hesitate to hit the pause button during the recording to prepare yourself with new content or to regain your train of thought. If you mess up a recording and want to start over, you can click the cancel button in the webcam controls or in the Dubb Chrome extension icon in your browser. When you are satisfied with your recording, click the checkmark button on your webcam preview or in the Dubb Chrome extension icon in your browser to finalize and upload your video to your Dubb account. The last way to add a video to your Dubb account is to upload an MP4 file. This is available in the 4th tab on the Dubb Chrome extension. The next method of creating videos is the recorder on the Dubb.com website. This option will allow you to create webcam videos on either your desktop or from your smartphone. The Dubb website is mobile optimized, so you'll be able to record or upload videos from your phone by visiting Dubb.com on your mobile device. When you're ready to begin a recording, click the blue plus icon and click the Record tab. If you're on your mobile device, it will ask for access to your camera, and if you're on your desktop, you will see a preview of yourself with the record button. Once you are satisfied with your recording, click Upload and the video will be uploaded to the platform. You can also upload existing videos you might already have to the platform through the Upload tab on the website recorder. Once a video has been recorded and uploaded to your Dubb account, you will be taken to the Video Info page. The first tab is where you can put a title to your video, which we highly recommend. Titles will not be visible to recipients. You can add a description that will appear below the video and be visible to the recipient. You can also add tags to your videos based on whatever criteria you choose. Your videos can then be searched for from your video library, email, or CRM integrations. By default, all of your videos will be set to private and will be visible only to recipients. If you change the privacy setting to feature, it will show up on search engines and be visible for the public to see. For personalized videos meant for one recipient, we recommend setting videos to private. The second tab is for adding calls to action on your video pages. Calls to action, sometimes known as CTAs, are clickable buttons or custom integrations that appear below your video. Calls to actions dramatically improve the impact of your videos by giving a clear next step to recipients. To create a call to action, click the drop-down arrow and select Create New Option. The name of the button will be internal and helpful for organization in your Dubb account, so make it as detailed as possible. There are 5 options for calls to action: email, phone, URL, Facebook Messenger, and calendar integration. The email option allows the user to email you with a one-click button. The phone option allows calling or texting. The URL option allows the viewer to click a button to visit another website. You also have the ability to add your Facebook Messenger username to receive chat messages. Lastly, you can integrate directly to your calendar so people can book a time to speak to you. Depending on which option you select, you can add description text that displays text above the call to action to provide context for the viewer. You can also check the default box, and the CTA you have created will automatically be applied to every video you create. This is only recommended for once you have established the types of videos you will be creating on a regular basis. The next tab allows you to customize the color schedule of your video player and call to action to match your branding. Below both color selector boxes are default checkboxes that, when checked, will automatically apply the same colors for your CTA and video player to each video you create. Below the color selector on the CTA tab is an Exit Intent Modal checkbox. When checked, this provides a pop-up that appears on the video page when a recipient moves their mouse to exit the video page without clicking the CTA. The pop-up will include your CTA and any instructions you include on the description line in the CTA creation menu. This feature can increase your call to action dramatically, so we encourage you to use it. The next tab over, titled Video, allows you to trim your video and select a custom thumbnail image. To trim off the beginning of your video, click the video and move the slider along to the point you want your video to begin. Then click Set Current Frame next to where it says Start Time. To trim off the ending of your video, move the slider along to the point where you want your video to end, then click the Set Current Frame next to where it says End Time. When you copy and paste Dubb videos into emails, an animated GIF thumbnail image is included by default. The animated GIF is a 3-second loop of the video, which serves to help grab the attention of the recipient. If you want to change the thumbnail preview image, move the slider to the desired starting point of your new thumbnail image and click Set Current Frame. The next tab is for applying themes. By default, your video page will have a white background. However, with the theme option, you can customize the background image of your video pages. When finished with your video setup, click the Save button. Once you save your video, you will be directed to the Video Information page. On this page, you will be able to see your video's details and performance, including the email open click, view, and CTA engagement rates. There are several ways to send videos depending on what type of email you're sending and what the use case is. The default method of sharing videos will allow you to track a specific person's engagement with your video. To do this, enter the person's email in the input field above the copy link and thumbnail button. Then, click the copy link and thumbnail button and paste the video into the body of an email in your Gmail, Outlook, email application, or CRM account. If you have the Dubb Chrome extension installed and you're a Gmail user, you will see a Dubb icon in the Compose box in the Gmail interface. This extension will allow you to search for videos based on tags and attach them to an email directly from your library. You can also record camera-only videos directly in your Compose box or upload pre-existing videos. For Outlook 365 users, you will need to install the Outlook add-in from the Integrations tab. Once you have installed the Outlook add-in, there will be a Dubb icon in the top toolbar within Outlook. Clicking this button will give you access to your library of videos so that you can select and attach videos directly in the body of an email without having to go to the Dubb website to copy the thumbnail and link paste code. Dubb has direct integrations with many CRM systems, including Salesforce, Slack, HubSpot, Contactually, Agile, MailChimp, Constant Contact, Insightly, Zoho, and many more. To send videos through a CRM we have an integration with, make sure to have the Dubb Chrome extension installed. You will see the Dubb icon in the toolbar of the Email Compose interface that allows you to record, select, or upload a video. You can paste the Dubb thumbnail and link code into any number of email sending or social sharing platforms. Oftentimes, the thumbnail image does not appear, but the tracking link will work. You can also download any video from Dubb by clicking the drop-down arrow next to the edit button and clicking download. This triggers an email to be sent to you with an MP4 version of the video, which you can then upload to Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. The last item is sending videos from the LinkedIn desktop website. As long as the Dubb Chrome extension is installed, you will see a Dubb icon in the toolbar of the Compose message box. This will allow you to select, record, or upload videos directly in a LinkedIn message. This concludes this tutorial. If you have additional questions, please visit the Dubb Support Center at support.dubb.com or the Dubb Learning Center from the info icon on the top right of your account. You can also visit the Dubb blog and social channels for additional learning resources. Thanks for listening.